Hello everyone, back again, long time no see. I just thought I'd make a video and update everyone on sort of how the track's going and everything like that, because it's changed quite a bit since last, or it was last in the video. But yeah, so I'll start here. I'm standing at the top corner that's recently been done. There's been a big change, but I'll come back to that in a second. Got my bike there. It's now a 184. Yeah, I've spent quite a bit of money on it now. So yeah, it did just go round that way. Just sort of, it curled round and went that way, but there's also now this bit that comes through here. We made a few more sort of different ways that you can go. That was the original, sort of one of the original bits to turn around at and come back down. But yeah, now walking back down towards where the shelter thing was. This is one of the old ways to go round. Still sometimes use it. We just cleared it. We cleared sort of a way, sort of place to park. There's another corner just there. Sort of going this way. There's a jump here. Can't quite see it, but there is a jump there. Oh, it's quite a nice day today, so I thought I'd come up and have a little go round. I did come up past couple of days with a few mates, but they're not here at the moment. So this is where the shelter thing was. As you can see, it's all fallen down and everything. Got a big sort of berm there, and we're down at the bottom. So this is, oh, tripped over a stick then. And we're going back up. Jump here, kind of wearing down now, but it still does the job. It's quite good where we've been sort of not constantly riding it, but going over it quite a bit. It's starting to compact down, and you can properly see the track now, rather than before it was just all stony and horrible. Got another new bit coming up as well. You may have seen it in the last video where I was riding. I'm not 100% sure. There's the original way that we went. This is a new sort of bit, sort of a little bit better to come into this corner over here. Here we got sort of back where the newer jump is. We've got a bit there that you can go round at. This is one of the best corners, I reckon. Nice quick corner. This is a nice straightaway. And another turn in there. We've got this was all rooty at this bit here, so I took a load of the loose dirt from this corner here and just sort of covered it over and compacted it down a bit. We've also made this bit wider, and yeah, this is the main difference really. I don't know if you can see, there's two berms now. The outside one's not really that big, but yeah, we've got this one here. This is the newest one. Sort of dug down and heaped it all up at the side, and then back down to that way. Also made a shelter. Yeah, that's about it really. There's not really anything else that's changed. Yeah, it's getting better now. We're gonna try and, well, I'm gonna try and source a rotavator, or whatever you want to call it, cultivator thing, just to rip up the ground a little bit, loosen it. It's just so it's easier to make a few jumps. Also, I've been told that to help me make jumps and things, you can mix the dirt with a bit of sand, a bit of water, and then you heap it up, make the jumps, mix it not like sort of solid, keeps the shape of it, rather than when you're going over it, it just all collapses. But yeah, tell me your thoughts. Sort of put in the comments what you'd like to see on the track, what features you reckon we should add, and we can go from there. We're planning on making it a little bit longer at some point, but we've got a main layout that we like at the moment, so we're going to stick with it, just sort all this out, and then once it's all sorted out properly, we're gonna we're going to extend it a little bit. But where we've made this berm bit here, we're not 100% sure how we're going to do it. Whether we're going to cut away this exit section of the berm here, and the entry of the berm, the outside berm there, and then go up off that way, because there's still a fair bit down that way. It goes up to a little brow of a hill, and then it sort of goes down a little bit as well. But it opens up quite a bit just there, and then it starts getting quite thick, so we're not 100% sure how we're going to do it, but we are going to sort it out somehow. But yeah, there's I post a link to this in a Facebook group, Pity Committee UK. So if anyone on there is around the Wiltshire area, and likes the look of the track, wants to give it a try, then you're more than welcome. Just we don't want people coming up and ruining it for everyone else, because we've got permission from the landowner, and we've been told that we're not supposed to ride into the fields, because there's fields around the woods, only on the gravel tracks, like byways next to it, and that's about it really. You just be respectful of the place, don't ruin everyone's hard work, and But yeah, if you are on the Facebook group, you're more than welcome to give me a message on there, and I can help sort out a time where I'll be down here, sort of meet up, and yeah, you can try out the track and everything. But yeah, I'll leave it there for now, and I will make another video soon. I'm trying to sort out my little GoPro camera thing, because at the moment, for some reason, the battery's not lasting very long. So I'll get about 10-15 minutes of recording, and then it'll die. I did record something yesterday, but I'm not sure how much it caught. I haven't watched it yet, but I'll watch it back later when I get home, and I'll try and sort it out. If it's good enough to put up, I'll put it up. If not, then it's gonna have to be another one. So yeah, I will leave it there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I may even do a live stream at some point up here, when I've got a bit more time and everything. So signal's not great up here either, so I'm not sure how good it's going to be. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. See ya.